In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a request form in Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way for anyone to submit information that turns directly into tasks in the right project, keeping everything organized and actionable. Start by opening the Asana project where you want those form submissions to appear. This matters because every response will create a new task in this specific project. So pick the workspace and project that your team already uses to track work. Make sure you have permission to edit the project. If you can customize views or add fields, you're good to go. Next, head to the Customize panel or the Forms section. Depending on your Asana layout, you'll typically find Customize on the right side of the project. Inside, look for Forms. In some views, you may see a dedicated Forms tab. If you don't see it right away, expand the panel or scroll. It's there to help you centralize intake. Click Create Form or Add Form to start building. This opens a blank canvas designed to mirror the information you need to kick off a task. If Asana suggests a starting layout, you can accept it or begin from scratch. Either way, the goal is to capture only what your team actually needs to start work. Now, add the questions you want people to answer. Use clear, plain language prompts and choose field types that match your data, like short text for titles, long text for details, drop downs for categories, and dates for timelines. Keep questions specific and group related items so the form feels natural. Think about how each answer will populate the resulting task. A good title, a detailed description, and a category or priority often save time later. If some information truly must be provided, plan to mark it as required, but keep those to the essentials to avoid form fatigue. Adjust the form settings and required fields. Set which questions are mandatory. Map responses to the task's custom fields if you use them, and choose defaults like assignee, section, or priority so new tasks land in the right place. You can also control who can access the form and customize the confirmation message that appears after submission. Aim for clarity and consistency so every new task is immediately actionable without extra back and forth. Finally, share the form link so people can submit requests. Copy the link and post it in the channels your team relies on. Project briefs, team wikis, or pinned messages. Add a short note about when to use the form and what to expect after submission, and you're all set. With your Asana form live, incoming requests flow neatly into your project, complete, consistent, and ready to work.